Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video my husband is trying to explain how to use the saxophone. We just bought it and he's unboxing it. That's his new baby and I know he loves it so much. On this part he's trying to explain how to grease your the saxophone neck so that it can be able to fit in freely into the sax before you start using it to play. And everything is so going well. The sax is so beautiful and I know he loves it so much. Just sit down and relax and enjoy the episode of the training he's trying to give those who love sax. Sit down and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Love you. What you wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? I can see that. Can you see how he's doing it? How he's rubbing it with love, putting love into everything that is applying it to the sax, because he loves the sax so much. Just look at the way he's turning the neck, so lovely. Wow. I know my husband will not play with this sax. He's going to treat the sax like a baby, like his real baby. He's trying to fix it very well. He's trying to place the neck properly. He's a very hardworking guy, as you can see. Just sit down and relax. On this part, he's trying to fix the belt on the sax that connects to his neck, but eventually that's the wrong one. That's not the right belt to fix on the neck. Just sit down and relax and you will see the very beautiful belt that is going to fix on the neck. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just eventually got the right one. That's the right belt to fix on the neck, to place your sax very well so that you can be able to play it without being interrupted with any form of shaking and all that. He's trying to remove the wrong one. That one is supposed to be on the box where you can easily carry the boat. So this particular one is trying to fix now is the right one that you fix on the neck of the sax. As you can see, he's trying to test it now. Wow, it looks so good. The sax is so beautiful and I love it so. I wish I know how to play. I'm jealous, as you can see. He's trying to test it now. Wow, this is so lovely. As you can see, he's testing it already. Sit down and relax as he plays for us. On this part, it's like the hair does not sit very well. Maybe the grease was not enough. But anyway, still going to try it. Just watch and enjoy yourself as he's playing for us. Enjoy! Just as I said before, it's just a testing. He's not really fixed it very well. And you know, it's a new
sax, so just trying to test it to know how it's sounding. So guys, as he's trying to test it, he discovered that one of the keys is not free, and it's like there's a problem going on that particular key. So I'm sure he's going to fix it. He's trying to make sure everything's going well with the sax. Okay, fam, we're coming to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy it and you learn something from it. Please try and subscribe to our channel. We love you. Bye.